If you are currently eyeing any laptop on the market, whether it is a MacBook Air, a Pro, or a high-end Windows machine, you need to freeze exactly where you are. For decades, the tech industry has forced us into a frustrating, mandatory compromise. If you want a laptop that is incredibly thin, light, and battery efficient, you have to sacrifice raw computing power. If you want absolute workstation performance that can render complex 3D scenes, compile massive code bases, and handle heavy creative workloads, you are forced to buy a thick, heavy machine that gets scalding hot and dies after a few hours away from a wall outlet. But highly classified internal benchmarks and supply chain leaks confirm that Apple is preparing to completely shatter this reality with a brand new, unannounced hardware category: the Apple MacBook Neo 2. This is not a subtle refresh, a minor design tweak, or a routine processor update. We are talking about a total re-engineering of portable computing that introduces radical, futuristic technologies never before seen in a laptop. If you think this is just another standard release, you are completely missing the seismic shift that is about to occur. Think about the psychological exhaustion of the modern tech cycle. Every single year, we are told that the next laptop is 15% faster, 5% thinner, and slightly better for your daily tasks. It has become boring, predictable, and frankly, a waste of hard-earned capital. Apple knows the consumer market is reaching a breaking point of upgrade fatigue. That is exactly why the MacBook Neo 2 exists. It is designed to be a definitive, jaw-dropping disruption. A machine that makes everything else in your tech arsenal look like a primitive relic from the past decade. The engineering team was reportedly given a blank check and a single directive: eliminate every single traditional bottleneck of laptop architecture, no matter the cost. Let us dig straight into the absolute crowning jewel of this machine, which is a feature that sounds like pure science fiction, but is officially entering mass production. For years, the physical display of a laptop has been a static, rigid piece of glass. Whether it is an LCD or an OLED panel, what you buy is what you get. The MacBook Neo 2 is completely rewriting this playbook by introducing a revolutionary, dynamically adapting fluidic display matrix. According to supply chain leaks from premium panel manufacturers, this screen features a micro-layered, electroreactive polymer structure capable of physically changing its texture and light refraction properties on a pixel-by-pixel level. When you are watching a high-budget cinematic movie or editing a video, the display acts as a hyper-advanced self-illuminating quantum dot OLED, delivering infinite contrast ratios, pitch black levels, and blinding peak brightness that makes images look completely three-dimensional. But the moment you switch to a text-heavy task, like reading an extensive document, coding, or scripting, the microlayers instantly alter their physical polarization, shifting into an ultra-low power, ambient reflective matte state that perfectly mimics the exact visual properties of physical paper. It completely eliminates the aggressive, unnatural blue light emission that causes severe eye strain, headaches, and mental fatigue during long, midnight work sessions. You are essentially getting two completely distinct display technologies fused into a single, seamless panel that automatically shifts based on what your eyes actually need. But Apple did not stop at the visual layer. To make a display this advanced truly world-class, they had to address the single biggest limitation of modern screens: